and welcome to your Menopause channel. I am Dr. Ushma Maniyar and let's talk about breast cancer. Breast cancer is the most common cancer which affects women globally. Nowadays, more and more young women in their 30s and 40s are being diagnosed with breast cancer. Well, that is the flip side. The good news is that there is a minuscule chance of prevention of breast cancer and there is a higher chance of breast cancer being diagnosed and treated while still in the early stage. Prevention? Yes. Unlike most of the malignancies, there is some chance for one to prevent breast cancer. Obesity to be avoided. Also, drugs, chemicals, hormones and radiations. These unnecessary exposures have been shown to have an association between these exposures and breast cancers. So that has to be avoided. And the third thing, did you know that breastfeeding is protective? Yes, breastfeeding is protective against breast cancer. Studies have proven that women who have exclusively breastfed at least two kids for at least 12 months each have a much less chance of breast cancer compared to their similar counterparts. Now, let us talk about early diagnosis. For women in their 30s who have a very strong positive family history, and every woman above the age of 40 need to do these three basic things to prevent or early diagnose breast cancer. The first among this is a breast self-examination. On the first day of every month, the lady is supposed to strip down to nothing and stand in front of a well-lit mirror with the hands on the head like this, and then you are supposed to look into the mirror and see the level of both the nipples, see the skin of the breast, see the symmetry of the breasts and look for any lumps or bumps. This is known as inspection. The second step is palpation. By palpation, we mean feeling or touch. Wet the hand slightly and apply soap on the hand, and then mainly the fingers are the most sensitive part of the hand. With one hand going on the opposite breast, start with the nipple, press hard and go around in circles, pressing each and every inch of the breast, right from the collarbone all the way to the rib cage, right from the start, the axilla or where the hand can reach farthest up to the midline. Every square inch and centimeter of the breast should be palpated and repeated on both sides. By doing this on a regular basis, in a couple of months, a lady becomes aware of how her breasts naturally look or feel like, and any slightest variation will be brought to notice soon enough. The second step is the clinical breast examination, which is done annually by a good qualified gynecologist or the general practitioner, whoever is offering these services. Third comes in the technology. Bilateral digital mammography is a highly sensitive test. In these tests, any changes within the breast are brought to notice at a very early stage. Beginning at the age of 40 years, every 3 years it is to be done for a minimum of 3 such. Once 3 mammographies have come negative, they may be repeated as and when required or once every 10 years. For those women who are between 30 to 40 years, a digital mammography is not routinely advised. However, a bilateral mammosonography can be done with an experienced sonologist. So, with these handy tips and with these preventive measures, have a breast cancer free life. Enjoy, stay blessed. Bye.